I think we're overdue for another shout out and mail call episode with boxes and packages today. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and that's right, we're long overdue for one of my shout out and mail call episodes. I've got 15 boxes sitting here and packages that I want to get open today. Please remember that anyone who sends me a package, I'll have links to their channels. If I have that information down below, it'd be nice for you to check out their channel, maybe give them a subscription, check out a video or two. That being said, with 15 packages, we got to get started. The first package comes from MrTazmaster. He sent me a couple of silver certificates for a giveaway on my channel. How cool is that? We'll make that a MrTazmaster giveaway bundle. Very cool. Sent me a binary with 6 and 8s, kind of like a flipper as well, because the 6s and 8s can become 8s and 9s. I'll add that to the collection. It does have some ink on there, but you can't get mad at that. He sent that for me because he wants me to nicodate all these buffalo nickels, which I will do, not part of my shout out, but I'll get those nickodated, MrTazmaster, and I'll get them sent back to you, brother. Thank you for the package, the cool note for me, and the giveaway items for my stream. My next package comes from Pierre from Quebec, near Montreal, in Canada. He said he watched my Canadian nickel hunt and noticed I was missing a 28 and 42 regular issue for my nickel book, and out of the kindness of his heart, he sent them to me. Pierre, thank you so much, brother. I'll add them to my collection. My next package comes from TBSCoinHunter, Nancy and Tyler. This was a trade that we talked about, but I did not know they were going to send me extras. They sent me 4 each of the River of No Return W quarters for my 200, 400, 600 likes giveaways and an EOS. How awesome is that? They sent a 5th one as a thank you gift for me. Very kind of you. And the 6th is for a trade for a Sam W that they need to complete their set as well. I'll definitely take 4 for my streams, 1 for me, and technically 2 for me, and I'll send out a Sam W on its way to you. I'm glad to see Nancy and her son Tyler hunting, finding my videos fun, and giving back to the coin community. My next package comes from MyCoinCave, who on one of our live streams when we were trying to get Big Mill to 1K, he said, Rob, I'd like to donate some stuff for giveaways if we get Big Mill to 1K subscribers, and we did. Now he's on the road to 1K himself, so please check out his channel. It'll be linked down below and check it out. We've got 6 beautiful copper rounds that we'll use on our streams as likes giveaways. Epic, brother. Thank you very much, Matthew, with MyCoinCave for helping and supporting the coin community. My next package is an epic one from Ken Plaskanka. Hopefully I pronounced your name right, Ken. KP for short. He saw in my mail calls that I love challenge coins, let alone military ones. And he said, Rob, I found a few of these you can add to your collection. I know I have more from my 30 years with the U.S. Army. If I run across them, I'll pass them along, KP. First and foremost, Ken, thank you for your 30 years serving our country in the U.S. Army. Words on this mail call cannot even begin to express the gratitude I have towards men and women like you who not only have served our country, but went above and beyond and put in 30 years. Holy cow. On top of that, take a look at these awesome challenge coins. Now, as I show them, I do want to say that I do plan on getting all of my challenge coins put together into a video for all of you guys, even a wooden nickel, so that you guys can see the sheer amount that I've amassed over the last couple years. I want to thank Ken again for your service, for thinking of me to pass on these challenge coins, and I'll make sure I give them a good home, and all the other men and women that have sent me challenge coins and or served our country. My next package came all the way from Australia from a subscriber named Stanley Cross. He says, Rob, better late than never. As I mentioned, here's some Australian coins for your collection. All coins were found in my change or coin machine at the bank. These are just a few of the many varied designs we have. I hope that you enjoy them and show them on your channel. Sorry it took so long. No worries, Stanley. Take a look at these beautiful Australian coins. Now, I have them all on the reverse, I believe, showing. The opposite side is just Queen Elizabeth II. But aren't these some stunning coins? I really love the 50-cent pieces. Look at that. Beautiful. And take a look at the Australian kangaroo right there, halfpenny, 1964. Speaking of oldies, we've even got a sixpence from 1963. Unbelievable. Very beautiful coins. I'll definitely happily add these to my collection. Thank you so much, Stanley Cross, for thinking of me and sending a parcel all the way from the land down under. My next package came from William Colburn, also known as Will. You guys will remember him. He sent me that 09S VDB picture that was way off center struck, and I said, get that thing graded. Now, he probably already had plans to get it grading, but he's going to let me know the minute he gets that 09 back from grading. Keep us posted, brother. Would love to make sure it's authentic and to see what they have to say about it. That is an epic coin. He also said, Rob, I know you like foreigns, so he sent me a bunch of foreign coins. Very cool of you, Will. I appreciate it very much, brother. And man, you got me juiced about finding out about that 09 when you get it back. Thanks again for the foreigns and for the support of my channel. My next package came without a name or a note, but it's from China. And take a look at this. A 1921 Hobo Morgan dollar. Now, I weighed it. It is definitely not a real piece of silver, but it's still a really nice design on the front. That thing is awesome. Holy cow. Love it, love it, love it. We'll be adding it to the collection. My next package comes from OddityNZ, I think, NZ. No channel information, but bottom line is he sent me a package thanking me for the videos and supporting the community. He sent some cool items for Living Room Panner, which I will pass along, as well as a whole bunch of goodies for me. Now, I can't show them all for sake of time, but just wanted to run over them. You guys can pause the video if you want to stop on anything. There's so many cool aluminum and foreign coins in here. Too many to name, but this is epic. What a cool package, brother. Very nice. He also sent me, I'm probably going to butcher this, but a Nederland 40 jar, who knows what. I apologize for being unfamiliar with this denomination, but that is a cool looking coin nonetheless. I'll do some research on it. I guess I could have just read this. A giveaway, 1985 SP Netherlands anniversary coin. All right, we'll use that as a giveaway. Guess I should read more often. And the last European coins as well. Let's take a look at these. Beautiful. What a nice set. I would imagine this is for a giveaway as well. Oh yeah, there it is. And the Euro cents are for a giveaway. All right, I got it. OddityNZ, we got 2 giveaways, something for Living Room Panner, and some goodies for me. Beautiful, brother. Thank you so much supporting the channel and sending out items to the community as well. My next package is from Trevor B, or BFO Silver, and the bottom line is he said he ordered some half-dollar tubes on Amazon. The seller made a mistake and sent dollar tubes. The seller did make it correct and sent him half-dollar tubes, so instead of having these sit around collecting dust, he passed them on to me. I'll put them to good use for sure. I appreciate you sharing the wealth, and thank you for supporting my channel. My next package comes from one of my friends, Matt Driessen. He's all the way in Australia, and he says, Rob, I've been collecting Australian coins, decimal and pre-decimal, for the last 16 years. The bottom line is he wanted to give back to me, Charlani, and the RFT community. He's donated 5 50-cent coins that were made of 80% silver when decimal currency started in Australia in 1966. One is for me, one for Charlani, and 3 that we can give away for EOSs or however we see fit. Look at these beautiful coins. Epic, epic, epic. Now, we saw some of these in the other package I got from, I believe, Stanley Cross, but unbelievable. Very nice coins here. Ironically, I said I love this design, and now I get one, Shalani gets one, and 3 are for you guys. Matt Driessen, thank you so much, brother. These are going to be fun to give away on my streams. Holy cow, we have another epic package. This one comes from VA Beach Collectibles, or Ryan, and all he wrote was, Rob, disperse as you see fit. Thank you, bro. Let's see what we got here. 2018 1-ounce Gem BU Silver Eagle, epic. We've got a 1932 Silver Washington quarter, minted in Philly. We've got a 71 Ike dollar, made out of silver, 40%. An ugly coin for Charlani. Look at this 1883 Liberty nickel. Look at the condition of it. It's the variety without the cents. They made the Liberty nickels that basically didn't have the word 5 cents on the back, and then they made them with cents since they were counterfeited as gold coins. Epic condition. A nice star note. A beautiful red seal from 1963. We've got a 2008 S-proof presidential dollar, Andrew Jackson. And a 1980 S-proof deep cameo quarter. Virginia Beach Collectibles, thank you, brother. You most certainly didn't need to send in these goodies, but as is true of the coin community, you all are so giving. Holy cow. My next package comes from AdventureSmith. You gotta love the channel and the name. Bottom line is, David and his daughter Emma have got into coin collecting and through that are doing coin roll hunts now, and they wanted to send me a couple of goodies. But I want to make sure everyone knows that their channel link will be down below. They've got a new channel, and in celebration of their first video, they sent me a whole roll of 20s and 30s wheat cents that they have found from their hunts. They said, Rob, check them out. If you need to upgrade any, do so. If not, please give them away, which you know I'll do. They also sent me a beautiful 1976 S-clad bicentennial proof half dollar. Love it. They love chasing silver and proofs, and they wanted to send me one of their favorite ones. Very kind of them. Please check out their channel down below, AdventureSmith. Thank you, David and Emma, for thinking of me, supporting the channel, and the community. My next package comes from Angie N, and it's kind of a long note, but I do want to read a lot of it. Rob and Charlani, I just wanted to let you all know how much I enjoy your channel. I'm 58, retired, and on disability, and I was looking for something to do with my time, and I came across your channel. I collected as a kid. Your channel got me back into collecting. I just wanted to share some stuff with you. I'm from the New Orleans area. I got you something for your collecting. First, Mardi Gras doubloons. On the front obverse side is the crew's name and the year they started. On the back is that year's theme and date. The Rex doubloon is 3/9 fine silver, and look on the rim for 3/9 fine. The Bacchus is oxidized silver. Bacchus, god of wine. He looks like someone we know, LOL. On the rim is In Vino Veritas, Latin for In Wine Lies the Truth. So here's the Rex doubloon right here. Beautiful 3/9 fine silver. And there's the oxidized silver Bacchus. And obviously on the back is the theme, the Centennial Celebration, and Bacchus Goes to the Movies. Love it. Very cool. The two Carrolltons are bronze. Please give the color one to Charlani for her collecting. That's this one right here. Very nice. Doubloons were known as heavies. These were not thrown from the float, but given out by the king and captain of the cruise. The aluminum one is the one thrown from the floats. I've also included a P mint set for my birth year. Boom! I enjoy all of your searches, so I couldn't think of a better way to say thanks. I also added some extra Indian heads. I'm half Native American, and 43 all mints. Thanks for the hard work. Looking forward to your next videos. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you and your family. Also, a great New Year's. Angie N. And here it is, a whole roll of 43 PDNSs mixed in there. Beautiful. As well as some Indian head scents, which I will comb through to see if I need any for my album. Angie N, this is a very, very thoughtful package. You definitely did not need to send all these goodies. I will keep some for the collection, of course, especially the personal stuff. I'll check against my mint sets to see if I have a 61. If not, I'll be glad to pass it on to a giveaway. And of course, I'll include many of these in my giveaways as well. Thank you for the kind words, Angie. Happy holidays to you and yours as well. Happy New Year as well. And once again, thank you. Today's final package comes from Kevin Speaks. Rob and Charlani, just a couple of things to say thank you for your generosity and the giving you guys do. You can keep them, auction them, or give them away. It's up to you. You decide. The 2017 pennies, because I hear they're tough to find for you. Thank you, Kevin Speaks. They are tough to find. Thank you so much. I will take a roll of them for my collection. Kevin Speaks, first of all, wow, this is a great package. But let me cover what he sent in. 68S proof quarter, 68S proof half dollar, 68S proof dime, and a 2019 S R&R quarter, which I don't have. This is an NIFC technically. Very cool. He also sent some lucky money. The Year of the Rat 2020. He sent 4 of these. I opened one up. I didn't want to open the other ones, but I wanted to show you what they are. It's got the Year of the Rat right there and a lucky bill inside. There's 4 of them. I'll keep one for me, the one that I opened. I'll be using 3 for giveaways for sure. On top of that, he sent a 2019 proof Delaware quarter. Very cool. I say quarter. It's a $1 reverse proof coin, but it has the Delaware State design on there. Also, a 2019 American Legion 100th anniversary commemorative coin, proof silver dollar. Take a look at that. Wow. What a beauty. Kevin Speaks, man, thank you very much, brother. What an awesome set of goodies that you sent me. Man, the generosity and giving nature of this coin community is so awesome. That is exactly why I love doing what I do. I couldn't do without all you guys. Epic. That being said, I want to thank everyone who has sent a package in for this shout out and mail call episode and for all the previous ones as well. I do have a stack of envelopes that I will get to in a future shout out and mail call episode, probably within the next week. So keep an eye out for that one. Again, thank you everyone for all of your generosity and your support of my channel, myself, and Charlani that you have given us throughout these past couple of years. Hopefully you enjoyed this shout out mail call episode. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, happy stacking, and thanks for watching.